Hey guys, welcome back to A&K's Mystery Box, and tonight we are playing The Walking Dead Season 1, Episode 2. I'm actually very proud of myself for getting the urge to come back on and play the next game, because normally sometimes I just suck at continuing games. It's like I start something and then my brain just decides to have a full-on ADD moment and I'm just off in a corner doing something else. So tonight we're going to start episode 2. So last time we got introduced to Lee and Clementine and all the characters that are in the first group of the Walking Dead gaming series, and we had to leave the pharmacy store because it started getting run over by zombies, and now we're at the motor inn waiting to see what's going on, and right when we left off, the power went off, and so the world is now plunged into darkness. So let's see what episode 2 has to hold for us. So select. We are on to episode 2, and that looks... he looks angry. Let's see what this holds.
I know who you are.
I got another good one for you.
Been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug.
You got it, boss.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
It's either him or your son. I say it's him.
Goddamn right. Out on his ass with those things.
Yep, we chose Carly, you guys. We let Doug go because he was an idiot. If you remember, we were outside and we were doing stuff, and he just randomly yelled at us to run. And the zombies weren't even coming at us, but that attracted them. So, yeah, I was pissed. So he had to go. And if you guys don't know this game already, and you haven't seen the first 2 episodes that I've done, this game is based on choices you make. So it's like, we're running off of choices that I make last time. So that's when I said, like, our first major choice was last time, so... Alright, so we got 3 months later after last episode. Ooh, yummy.
Damn it. What'd they get this time?
Who the hell are you?
Well, that's another meal lost.
Oops.
I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Margaret. I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations the other night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
I'm going to say we'll manage.
We'll manage.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Lily knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's got to miss a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Well, I think he said he's better off without us. No, I mean, I don't like Kenny. I really don't. I'm not going to say anything.
I think we're stronger as a group. I just don't know what'll happen if we start to break apart. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's
Well,
got
he's
a
a
problem
jerk.
with you
Larry
in
is a
particular.
jerk. If you guys haven't seen my opinion on Larry, pretty basic. Old racist asshole. That
He's
works.
just an old racist asshole. That's his deal.
Well, he needs to get over that and start finding a way to pull his weight. Heart problems or not, we should all be out here trying to find food. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
Don't risk the noise. Can you make that shot? Shoot it. I'm gonna say shoot it.
Take the shot. We need anything we can get at this point.
Damn it.
Shit! Was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
That was a fucking wasted bullet. I'm pissed with that decision. Damn. Pretty sure that scream had a lot of A's in it, not R's, but alright.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Oh,
jeez.
shit! No, no! Please don't kill us! We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear! Lee! You guys okay? Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis! Maybe they can help! These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
What guys?
Why the
We're not
fuck
gonna
is there a
hurt you.
bear
Who raided
trap
your
out
camp?
here?
What happened?
I don't know, man!
What the hell happened?
Mr. Parker said we should stay off the streets. We were trying to be careful, but...
Lee, this is fucked up. You've gotta help.
Please. Ben, shut up. My dad was Special Forces. I know what I'm doing. Just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
We'll try. Was he bitten?
Was he bitten?
Bitten? No, I swear. Hurry, please, hurry.
Oh, well, your screaming's attracting people.
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Oh, no. Shit. Walkers. It's now or never, Lee. Please. Get me out of this.
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
How would somebody do that?
You got the time to fuck it. I'm just gonna cut off his leg.
No, no, no. Try the trap again. Anything, please. Try to
Bitch,
get
please. Let's just do this. Owie. Owie, owie, owie. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it. One more slice. Come on. Okay. Maybe one more shot. Ooh, ouch.
Oh, God.
Shit. Is he?
He passed out.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
He's losing way too much blood, though.
Behind you!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move!
Well, couldn't save him, unfortunately. The Walking Dead. Episode 2. So, episode 2, Starved for Help. Poor Clementine. I'm not sure what I think about her. She's a bit of a bitch. Look at you, just controlling everybody with a
Get the
whisper.
gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
More than you are,
Come on!
that's for sure.
What happened?
What's going
I don't
on?
have time to explain.
Lee, are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat,
okay?
can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
I don't know.
Lee! What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Hey, you want to calm down for a fucking minute?
No, I don't. I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
We left the other one behind.
Other one? Jesus, Lee. What if there are more of them? What if they followed you here?
There wasn't anybody else, just us. How do you know he's not lying?
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Come on, Lily. These are people. People trying to survive just like us. We've got to stick together to survive.
The only reason you're here is because you had food. Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
Well, I don't see you doing anything to help.
Fine, you guys fight it out there. Welcome to the family, kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Oh, come on. You're being dramatic. Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not going to be a part of that. Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to go around, but now that it's running out,
I'm
suddenly
staying out
I'm
of
a
it.
goddamn Nazi.
You've got nothing to say about that, Lee? You know, it might feel safe for you to sit on the fence, but sooner or later, you're gonna have to decide whose side you're on.
I don't have to decide anything, Kenny. I could
I
just
don't see
decide to
any
kill
of
you.
you stepping up to make the hard
Yeah,
decisions.
after all, we did
My
murder a guy
girl's got
once.
more balls than all of you combined.
Dad, please. Why don't you go help Mark with the wall?
Yes, get out of my face, you ugly ape man-looking thing. That's it, keep walking. Bitch.
You think this is easy for me? Everyone's starting to hate me because I'm the one that rations the food, but nobody else wants to. You know what? I'm not doing it tonight. You do it. There's today's food rations, but there's not enough for everyone. Good luck.
Okay, well, I want to make sure the kids get fed first. That's the main thing. Kids deserve to eat. Alright, as I said, kids get first pick, so...
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay,
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
But first, here's some food. Let's give Duck food first.
Hey, Duck. How about a little food?
I'm gonna give him... He looks like he would eat crackers and cheese. So.
Here.
Yeah! Oh man, I'm so hungry!
Clementine.
Here, Clem. You need something to eat.
Give her the apple.
I love apples. Thank you. Are there more?
No, honey. That was the last one.
Oh,
Enjoy it. You deserve it.
You're a kid, you automatically get fed. Now, Lily, you're being a little bitch, so I'm gonna make you be the center of attention by getting food.
Here.
I don't want anything from you.
Take it anyway. You need to eat.
Just shut the fuck up and take it.
Anything.
Mind you, I didn't say anything. I could have said you're being mean. Save it for someone
Some of
else.
these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones who need it.
I'm gonna give it to Carly because she deserves food.
Want something to eat? Here.
Me? How about you? You look like crap, Lee. When was the last time you ate?
I'm okay.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak. I know I said it didn't matter why you saved me instead of Doug, but...
You don't owe me anything, Carly.
So what? I don't get to... Right. Okay, well...
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this weak already.
What do you want? A handout? I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up, quit being such a pansy.
God, you're a jerk. Now I'm giving him food.
Here, eat something.
Thanks, Lee.
Need any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
Giving it to Mark
Here,
because I don't
Mark,
like
this is
Larry.
down.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Come on, Larry. Give it a rest, man. Things are different. Being a racist is outdated.
Oh, and that's what you think this is? Is that what you told him?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Look, I don't care what it is, but you two have got to start trying to get along.
The only thing I have to do is protect my daughter. And right now, that means getting this damn wall fixed. So I would appreciate it if you two would shut up and let me get back to work.
Well, no one told you to stick your fucking nose in that. You just... Ugh. Really? Just... Couldn't I have a choice to tell him off or something?
Not such an easy job, is it?
Never said it was. I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Lee,
Kenny, I know I ran out of food before.
hey, it was a tough choice, but you took care of the kids. That's what a real man does.
Thanks, Kenny.
Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices. You're out! What happened to my food?
There's none left.
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered. You're one to talk, old man. Yeah? Well, I don't see you working on that wall.
He's got a valid point. What are you doing? You're sitting on a couch.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Then do something.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
I'm sick of this shit too.
You don't think I am? I don't know. Maybe it's for the best. We're already struggling to feed our own kids. That man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
The axe! Hurry!
Damn it. Get off me, get off me. Stand to the right. Actually, let's see what that's the right. What are you supposed to do? Oh, come on. Gotta swing better than that. Fuck off me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Clumsily.
Shoot it!
Just kill him already. Damn.
You okay?
Yeah,
place, asshole!
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed! You said he wasn't bitten! What? We asked you point blank, was he bitten, and you said no! He wasn't! Well, your not bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife! What? Wait, you all don't know? What the hell are you talking about? It's not the bite that does it. You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
Yep. God help us.
God help us.
It makes sense. In those first few days, it spread so fast.
Car accidents, suicides, everything was making more of them.
When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym, and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Back off!
Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
You're outnumbered.
outnumbered here. Just turn around and go back.
Okay, that's fine. But you'd really be helping out a fellow survivor if you could part with some extra gas before we leave.
Nope.
Why
Bye.
do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out, see if it's legit? I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
So, what do y'all think?
No deal. We'll just stay here. Honestly, my no deal.
I think we'll stay here. Starting to develop a good vibe here at the motel.
Good vibe? Well, Christ, Daddy-o, I'm sorry the folks with the food supply and defenses didn't tickle your pretty pink ass.
They seem weird.
We need to think like a group, Lee. This affects everyone.
Then we vote. If everyone agrees, then we'll send you guys with some gas to check the place out.
And if we don't?
Then we'll stay in this wretched roach motel with your recreational paperweight over there. Plus, we stay close to Makin where we have access to the pharmacy. For Dad. Kenny, Katja,
We go.
Dad,
You betcha, Pumpkin.
Carly. I said we go.
I'm in. If they're offering food, we gotta at least check it out.
Clementine, what do you think?
Lee, I'm very hungry.
All right.
Alright, fine. But something doesn't sit right with me.
So, this dairy, you guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and
Whoa,
cheese.
why are the
And with the
subtitles
vegetables
suddenly
we
in
grow,
German?
We got plenty of food.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. We're gonna fix that. Dude, a dairy.
So,
Please.
this dairy,
Thank you. Okay, I don't
guys
have no
really
idea
have
why it
food?
changed.
Sure do. We lost most
That's
of
a
the
blooper
cattle,
for you
but we
guys.
still have lots
Enjoy.
of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
It's nice to get away from that motel for a while. This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
You think they'd want me for a leader?
Sure, everybody looks up to you
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
because of your past. Does anyone else know?
Larry knows.
Larry knows.
Great. That can't be easy.
Clementine might know. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it. I lied to her, but
What exactly did happen with the senator?
it was an accident. I mean, I pretty much knew about the affair. Sometimes I wonder if I should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things
I'm all
went
for
to
group
hell
therapy.
doesn't matter anymore.
Let's get over the past and move on.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times. It doesn't have to make you a bad man.
I really appreciate that.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
How
Where are
about
you
no, I
from?
don't know you. Silent.
Something tells me you're a local boy. You can always just kind of tell, you know? Y'all seem pretty settled in at that motor inn. Who's running things over there?
Me.
I am. You guys have any questions? You come to me.
Carly was like,
How
yeah,
many
take
people you got
control.
over there
Tell
anyway?
Lily to go off. Change the
Well, the
subject.
kid here's our newest arrival, but we're all looking forward to some food. We really need it.
Well, here's to helping each other out. Well, we'd love to get you all out to the dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
In the summers,
Yeah, but
I
y'all
used
look
to help out
creepy.
on a goat farm. Yeah, that's great. Everything helps.
You
Mom's
look
been running
weird.
the dairy for as long as I can remember, but now it's...
You think you're gonna cut me out of this?
Shit, get down.
The hell?
No one's trying to cut you out of anything. You and Gary are always pulling this shit.
Bandits.
You haven't noticed.
Those look like the people who
Oh,
raided
man,
my camp.
paranoia's pissing
Who
everyone
are
off.
they?
Fuck you. You knew we were hungry, and you guys were keeping it all
There's
to
only two of
yourself.
them.
Oh no, there's
Yeah, and you know what? We ate it all. What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens, but let's just wait this out. Hope they move on.
Fuck you!
Oh my god.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Jesus.
Asshole.
Point made.
The world out here is going to shit. Come on, let's get to the dairy where it's safe.
My god. Wow. Gee.
Here it is, St. John Family Dairy. Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
Uh-huh.
The fence keeps them out?
You betcha, they fry like bugs in a zapper. We're pushing 4,000 volts through that thing with generators and amps.
I'm going to assume that's a lot.
Apparently enough to fry a Walking Dead person. Let's ask the question.
Ever have any accidents?
It's safer here than out there.
This place looks untouched. You'd never know the rest of the world is in ruins.
It's worth protecting, hence all the juice.
I thought I saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our mama.
I'm Brenda St. John, and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This here's Lee. You never did say where you're from.
You were right. I'm a local boy.
They got a few more friends staying at the old motel.
Oh my goodness, that place is pretty vulnerable. Have you got someone with survival experience to lead your group?
I've got things under control. We work together. Yeah, I got things.
I've got things under control over there.
Well, I hope you know what you're doing. That place isn't safe like it is here. Now that y'all are here, we'll make sure you're safe and comfortable.
I feel like that's very biased.
We're all incredibly hungry.
These are for y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
Something just doesn't seem right with these
Amazing.
people.
Can't get stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's right. Hopefully Maybelle will make it through this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet. We could bring her here. We can help you folks out.
A vet? Oh my! Our prayers have been answered.
Maybe our whole group could come. For the day.
Well, how about this?
Well,
Y'all
gee,
go
thank
get
you
your
for offering
veterinary
up
friend
all
and
our
I'll
friends to the
prepare some dinner.
slaughterhouse.
A big feast for all you
You
hungry
don't know these
souls.
people.
It'll be nice
Gotta be
to have some
careful.
folks to help out around
I'm the
here
only one that's
again.
saying that.
Danny, why don't you come help me out?
Food or not, I mean, I get it. We're starving. We need food.
Why don't I
but
head back with the food
come on,
and
this
round
just
up
doesn't seem
everyone for
right.
the trip over here?
Might want to take someone with you. Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
I can handle myself.
Take this. Why don't you go ahead and take Ben along anyway?
Take care of yourself, Lee. See you in a while.
don't you take a look around? Once you get settled in, I could use some help securing the perimeter.
Is there a problem?
Sometimes the dead get tangled up in the fence before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter. You can learn a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry. Come get me when you're ready.
You betcha. This place is incredible. It's got food. And that fence? Oh man, that fence. If we play our cards right, this might turn out to be a place we can stay. So how do you want to play this?
Let's just make sure it's safe.
Before we can think about bringing our whole group here to stay, we need to figure out if this place is as safe as they're telling us.
Right. Obviously they think it's safe. But is it safe enough for the kids? I noticed a broken swing over there. Not a big deal, but maybe there's other things not working that we just can't see yet.
And checking the fence perimeter sounds like a decent way to get a good look at their defenses.
Alright, I'll keep my eyes open, and you find out what you can from Andy.
First, touch the fence and see if it's actually electric for me, will ya? Go ahead, do it. Just kidding.
So what have you found out? Is this looking like a good place to stay?
Now keep looking around.
Alright, keep me posted.
I'm gonna walk this way and see what's going on. Look at swing.
Too bad it's broken. I'll bet Clementine and Duck would have loved something like this to play on.
Kids used to like that old swing even more than the tour sometimes.
I'll bet.
How long since it's been used? How did it break?
How'd it break?
Got busted the first day those things showed up. Thank God no one was on it at the time.
Looks like it just needs a new board for the seat, some rope, make it safe for Clem and Duck, and let the St. John's know we can pull our weight around here. I'm gonna need some rope. There's got to be a board around here I can use as a seat.
I'll keep that in mind.
Well, hi there, Lee. What can I do for you, sweetie?
Can I help you with anything around the house?
I think with Danny's help, I've got things pretty well squared away in the kitchen. But feel free to check with Andy. He's got a lot of weight on his shoulders these days, so I'm sure he'd love any help he can get.
How many rooms in the house?
How many rooms does this house have?
Rooms? Why do you ask?
'Cause I'm curious, that's why.
Oh, just curious, I guess.
Let's not start thinking too far ahead now. Let's just focus on getting y'all a good home-cooked meal tonight.
Well, if anything comes up that I can help with, feel free to let me know.
Well, Lee, I
Okay,
sure
so clearly she
appreciate
don't want us to stay,
No
which
problem.
means I don't want to stay. Bye. Okay, pack it up and go. Oh, there's the rope we need.
This rope is perfect for the swing.
Alright, well, we'll see what else we can find. What's that there?
This dairy won a lot of ribbons in its day, huh?
This place was my daddy's life. Meant everything to him. You know, when he first bought this place, it was a single-story house.
Is that right?
After us kids was born, he insisted on adding a second floor. Said they had to have room for as many babies as they could have. Mama, she was done after Dad.
My folks stopped after 2 as well.
Then one day, the world changed. Now this place is all we have left of Daddy. That's why we take such good care of it, and why we want to share it with good folks like yourselves.
Well, apparently your mother don't want to share it, so... Because I asked her how many rooms, and she's like, don't get ahead of yourself. Bitch, I'm standing here.
Fresh
Give me a room.
herbs. I can hardly wait for dinner.
Something's still fishy. Alright, let's go find a piece of wood.
Pointy.
That's all you can say. Pointy.
Pointy.
One for more for good measure.
Pointy. This is too big right now, but if I can find something to cut it down to size, this might make a good seat for the swing.
Okay.
Mind if I use one of these boards?
Already making some repairs, huh? I like a guy who takes some initiative. Yeah, go right ahead.
Move a little faster there. Come on. Just taking your sweet old time.
All right, this shouldn't be too tough.
Well, I'll be damned. Mama's gonna be thrilled to see that old swing all fixed up.
Hopefully our kids will like it too.
Did you say something, darling? Oh, my goodness. Did you do that?
Just trying to help out a bit around here.
You know, I used to push Andy and his brother out here on that swing every night when they were kids. Seems like such a long time ago now.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, because you totally knew that when they were kids. Shut the fuck up, Lee.
All fixed. That should make everyone happy.
Yeah, well, look at you being a good Samaritan. I'm looking around still, I don't care.
Hey, what are you fixing to do around the barn?
Well, now I want to know what's about your barn.
How secure is your barn? Having a safe place for the cows pretty important.
Thanks to the fence, nothing gets in here anymore. Unfortunately, the daddies took most of our cattle before we got it running.
Mind if I take a look?
Sure, but why don't we do that after we tend to the perimeter?
Sounds good.
You got something to hide.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, I'm glad you guys decided to help us out. I noticed back at the motel that you folks are pretty well armed. Been stockpiling, huh?
How many weapons do you have?
We've scraped together a good supply in the last few months. How about yourselves? What kind of protection do you have around here?
We collected a few guns to protect ourselves, but we really only use them when we go off the property. When we're inside the perimeter, the fence is all we need to keep us safe.
We can't be the first people you've invited up to the dairy.
Well, no, we've made similar deals with other folks, trading for gas and food, but ultimately they moved on, looking for the people they lost contact with.
Mark and I can help you with that perimeter now.
Oh, good. The fence will stop a walker in about 3 or 4 seconds, but gets overloaded if we leave the husks out there.
You know, Mark and I can clear the fence ourselves if you want to stay here and finish up with the generators.
Well, that'd be great. I'll turn off the northwest section, and if you guys could strip them off and look for any weak points, well, that'd be a big help.
Sounds easy enough.
Stay attentive. You never know.
So how's the place looking? Is it safe enough for us to stay? If we can?
It's pretty amazing what they've done with this dairy, but let's see what it takes to secure this fence before drawing any conclusions.
I can't wait until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
Why the hell did you have to tell him I thought he was a racist? As if tensions weren't high enough.
Sorry, man. It popped out. I mean, you did admit it right to his face.
That guy's a piece of shit anyway.
Relax. You're not making things any better riling him up. There's one. Ugh. Lee, it's dead.
Come on, let's push it off. Disgusting. Come on. I'm sure there's still a few more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
Well, it's useless without gas. We might need food, but the St. John's need gas, too.
Not many drivers these days, Lee. We could scrounge up a year's worth of gas, easy. So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have this place tied down pretty well.
I think I'm not gonna say anything. I don't really know what I think of them yet.
I just want you to know that I've got your back if anything goes down.
There's another one.
I see it. You never get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
Christ. I can't stop thinking about dinner. Thanks for the rations earlier. It's not easy eating in front of the kids, but it's all that's keeping me on my feet right now.
We'll go ask for more to eat after this is done.
All right, I can suck it up. Come on, I think I see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off of here.
I think we'd get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea. Little help here, Lee? Holy fuck! What just happened?
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
What the hell?
What the? Get to the gate. Get down!
You asshole! Jesus!
Jesus.
We have to wait! Now you
Who the fuck is that?
No idea.
Fuck. Now what?
With the fence on that gate, it's our only way out.
don't think I can't see him!
Okay,
Trying to get one of you!
what's that do? Oh, shit. Does that mean I can push it now?
We're not the St. John's. No fuel.
Give us some food! Ah, fuck you, strong bitches up!
We don't mean you any harm, goddammit.
Woo!
What about our arrangement?
The fuck? Why does the thing move? Oh.
Come on. We can reach the gate. We can get through this fence and back to the house.
Shit, that hurts.
That's it. Sidestep it. Stay with the thing and sidestep it.
What happened?
Shit. It's one of the dead we pushed down earlier. We'll have to move.
That's not one that we moved. Maybe it is. Okay.
Another one? How many of those things did we push down?
Leave us the fuck alone!
Lee, get back here.
He's alive. Give the boot. Give him the boot. Oh, yummy.
You okay? Yeah. Barely. Come on. The gate's right there.
Let's get out of here.
Hell.
You let yourself to thieves! Go ahead, run! We ain't going nowhere!
Lee, what's wrong?
The electric fence came on. Some people started attacking from the woods, and we got trapped between them and the fence.
Holy shit, are you okay?
I heard Mark yell and thought y'all were giving me the all clear. Man, I am real sorry.
Oh, my Lord! What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those bastards in the woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out. God damn, it hurts.
Hey, y'all.
Mark, oh my God, what happened?
He got shot with an arrow.
Christ, are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I should just pull it out.
Oh, no, honey. Come on. Brenda's got you. Come on inside now. We'll have you all sorted out. Well, you must be the
What kind of
veterinarian.
shit is this?
We ran into some people on the way up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning, killed a bunch of our farmhands. We were able to get them to stop by making a deal.
What you do about these people? Food for protection. Not like we had much of a choice, but they did stop hassling us.
Christ, maybe you were right about this place, Lee.
Thank you.
So much for your deal.
Those shitheads broke the agreement. Look, I'm sorry, Lee. If I had any inkling they were going to give you guys trouble, well, we would have gone out there with you. Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of bitches get away with this.
You know where these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are. When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
Bandits? Are you serious? This place isn't safe. We can't stay here.
Not safe. This place is a hell of a lot safer than that motor inn. I think all of us and our guns can handle a couple of punks with bows and arrows. What we need to do is find a way to get our whole group out here to stay. Take this place over if we have to.
Whoa, cool your jets there, Rambo. These are nice people. Let's not do anything to get us thrown out before we eat.
I'm gonna head out and help Dan deal with these bandits. You guys should try to make friends with Andy and Brenda while I'm gone.
Well, that's easy. I got charm coming out of my ass.
Yeah, that's real charming, Dad.
Where's Ben and Carly?
Since Carly and Ben ate some of the food on the way to get us, she volunteered to stay behind and watch the motor inn until we get back.
Hey, kids, look what Lee got working for you.
A swing. I love swings. Just like at my treehouse. Come on, Doc. Thanks, Lee. You're the best.
Yeah.
No wonder
Oh,
you're
that
the
warmed my
leader of your
heart just a
group.
little bit. Don't worry, it's still covered in ice, but that warmed it up a little bit. Okay, so what are we doing now? We'll talk to Lily. See what kind of shit they got going on.
Lee, oh my God, I'm so glad you two didn't get killed out there. Do you think Mark will be okay?
Wish I knew, but I think he's in good hands now.
Yeah? It's not too bad?
They'll be fine. I've seen guys go through worse.
How could you all bring us to this place?
Hey, can I It's been 3 months. Your dad still treats me like I'm some kind of asshole.
Yeah, well, don't expect that to change. It's just how he is.
Does he treat you like that too?
Look, my dad can be an ass sometimes, I know that. But he's not a bad guy. He's got a lot of pain. He's been through so much, and lost pretty much everything. And it's hardened him, you know? Yeah, he's bitter and hateful, but that's all just to protect himself. And me. All he's got left in the world is me. And that goes both ways. So yeah, he's probably gonna keep treating you like crap, but that's just because he still has one thing left to care about. So don't judge him. Don't judge me for sticking by him. He's my dad. And I love him.
Well, that's the definition of family right there.
I take it you and Kenny didn't exactly make up on the way here.
I tried seeing things from his point of view, having a wife and kid and everything. But gambling with your family's life is pretty stupid if you ask me. Hey, thanks for backing me up this morning at the motel. I know I came down on you guys pretty hard, but you do agree with the way I'm running things, right? You don't have to say anything. You gave yourself away when you backed me up in front of Kenny, so thanks.
I didn't say anything. Whatever, lady.
Wait, doesn't offer much in the way of protection, though.
I did not say a damn word supporting Lily this morning. Or maybe I did, I don't remember. I could have sworn I stayed silent. Let me go ahead and start walking to the fence. Oh, nothing. Okay. Electric my ass. Alright, you guys, that is going to end part 1 of episode 2. I'm going to get the part 2 of episode 2 done, pretty finished quickly here, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and the weirdness of the whole subtitles thing, like, that was just crazy. So, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, please give it a huge like, and, you know, all that jazz and fun stuff, and then next time we will see what will happen when we hit the camp, and see, like, what will we find, what won't we find, and can we honestly trust the farm? Like, I don't know. I'm kind of sketchy about it. See you next time.